And what is my project today? I've got this out. What is going on? Oh, that's right. If you were with me from day one, you would know that we're in the condo. We're just off of the kitchen, and there used to be a ceiling fan up there. And I'm not going to put the same exact existing ceiling fan back up there because that one did not have a light on it. And it was also controlled by some light switches. Here we got 3 light switches over here, and only 2 of these light switches controlled the ceiling fan. Years ago, 15 years ago, when this condo was built, they used to install light switches for ceiling fans, and usually they would install 2 light switches. Now, one of these light switches I know are for some track lighting that they had here and over here. We haven't gotten any track lighting to replace those with yet. We're not quite sure if we want track lighting or if we want just a head that maybe swivels on a base, kind of like a track light piece that fits onto a track light, but just that and not the actual strip. You know what I mean? And so I know one of these light switches is for that, and the other 2 light switches go up to the ceiling fan location. Now, in today's times, you don't need 2 light switches for a ceiling fan. Usually they only install 1 light switch for a ceiling fan. And whether or not you install a ceiling fan or a light fixture, you're all set up with 1 light switch. And years ago, what they used to do is have one switch. These 2 are probably for the ceiling fan, is my guess. One was for the actual ceiling fan on, off, and then you know, an old style ceiling fans, you'd have the pull chain. You have high, medium, low, off, high, medium, low, off. As long as you have your switch turned on. Okay, then they started getting smart and thinking, hey, let's put 2 switches there. One for the power, one for light. If you have a light kit for a ceiling fan, you would put an additional wire up there. And I know this was set up that way, even though there never was a light. See that? There's a red wire there, and there's a black wire and a white wire. Usually you only have a black and white wire up there. You would not have the red wire. So the red wire is for the separate light switch, and that would be if you had a light up there, you would hook it to that red light, that red wire. We're probably not even going to do that. We got a new light fixture, or not new, light ceiling fan, and see here, we're going to put kind of a modern type one up there. Momi picked it out. She wanted that. I don't think I would have picked that, but you know what? With silver, it's kind of a nickel finish. We've got a light fixture up here that's nickel finish. We have the handles on the cabinets, which is kind of a nickel finish. We're going to put a different sink in here, and eventually we're going to put new countertops and stuff, and it's going to be a stainless steel finish sink with a nickel faucet. We've got nickel handles. She wanted those changed. She used to have gold ones in here and gold hinges, so those got changed. You see the theme here. Everything is a nickel finish. It's kind of a silvery finish. We're going to get new appliances, and of course they're all going to be looking like stainless steel. It's going to be a stainless steel finish, but not that you can not that you see your fingerprints, which is kind of cool. Okay, so that's why she picked that. And most ceiling fans nowadays, they all come, I think they all come with a handheld remote. That way you can hook up the whole thing. And this one happens to have a light, but we're not going to use the red wire up there. We're just going to use the black and white wire. That red wire is never going to be hooked up again because we don't have the old school ceiling fans with the pull chain and a light underneath it. Okay, if you have the light underneath, you can pull the pull chain and the light goes on, pull the pull chain, the light goes off, as long as you have your light switch in the on position. Well, the one that goes up for the light, we're never going to use that one ever again. It doesn't matter if it's off or on. And because we're not going to use that, because this has a remote sensor in there where you hook it up into the ceiling, and it'll be a control module, and it'll you hook that to the black and white wire. It goes to the remote, handheld remote. So we're only going to need one power switch for that, okay? And that's just going to be for the red and white, or the black and white wire. So I guess we could use the red and white wire and not hook up the black wire. I mean, you could do it either way, right? And so it's got a remote. See here, look at that, remote control. And this says flush mount. And that's kind of what we wanted in here, because this is only a 9-foot ceiling. We didn't want something that hung down too far, but even though it's flush mount. Look how tall this base is. Usually you wouldn't have this section of base in here, you'd have just a down rod. But that's kind of different. And it's 52 inch, okay? The blades, so, or 52 inch in diameter. If you were to measure from outside to outside, 52 inches. I think that's what that goes. And see, you've got different ones. This is a 52 inch. Well, you can get them 42, 48 inch, even higher than 52 inch. But 52 is kind of the standard. And in this room here, this is the main section from here to about here. You don't have to include the hallway and that kind of stuff. Because it's over here, I would not recommend using a 48 inch here. I mean, we could have put a bigger one than 52, but 52 is pretty much standard. I didn't really think she was going to go for just a three fan blades. I mean, you can get them 5 fan blades. You can even get more. You keep watching later on, you'll see what we're going to install upstairs. It's huge. And it's got, I don't know how many fan blades it's got. But in any case, this is going to be the one that gets hooked up for here, okay? And it's just gonna make everything look really good, and it brings the place up and makes it look modern. All right. I think she's gonna like it. I think she'll be pleased when she gets home. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And I still have 2 more ceiling fans to install up on the 2nd floor. And when I get ready to install those, I'll make videos. Don't worry.